length of copper wire is labeled 0.50 meters and the diameter is 0.50 millimeters, right? So usually the length, of course, it's 0.5 meters, and the diameter is quite small, which is 0.50 millimeter. So which instrument are most suitable to measure accurately the length and diameter of the wire? Now, having a 0.50 millimeter of dia, that means you cannot, of course, go with a measuring tape, because measuring tape is usually used to measure the lengths of wires, right? Or the length of something in meters, in inches or feet, or probably in centimeters, right? But millimeters we need something very accurate instrument, and something very such as a 1-year caliper or a micrometer screw gauge. So we can go with a caliper for diameter, and we can go with a micrometer screw gauge, right? But their range is like caliper is used to measure from 0 millimeter to 300 millimeters, right? You can measure the length of something which is between this range. And for micrometer screw gauge, it should be like 0 to 25 millimeter. All right, so micrometer screw gauge is perfect for measuring the diameter, which is just 0.50 millimeter. Okay, and now next thing is how do you measure the length? Of course, length is 0.50 meter, which is 50 centimeters. All right, so 50 centimeter is not in the range of caliper, neither in the range of micrometer screw gauge. So we have to use the meter rule for that. All right, so for length we are going with meter rule, and for diameter we are going with micrometer screw gauge. So the correct option is option B.